Hi, my name is Rebecca Barner, and I will be doing my mathematician presentation on Annie Easley. All right, just a little bit of background information. Annie Easley was a mathematician, a computer scientist, and a rocket scientist. She was born on April 23rd, 1933, in Birmingham, Alabama. Easley was raised by her single mother, who told her that she could do anything she wanted as long as she worked at it. Here I inserted an image of where she was born, Birmingham, Alabama, in 1933. All right, just a little bit on Annie's educational background. From fifth grade through high school, she attended Holy Family High School and was valedictorian of her graduating class. This was an all-girls high school at the time. In 1950, she went to Xavier University in New Orleans. She majored in pharmacy for 2 years because she thought pharmacy sounded fun. All right, on to Easley's start with NACA. NACA stands for National Advisory Committee of Aeronautics. NACA was an organization committed to work involving aeronautics before NASA ever existed. So before there was NASA, it was NACA. Annie first heard of NACA when she read an article about twin sisters who were human computers, as they called them. These girls were human computers for the Aircraft Engine Research Lab in Cleveland, Ohio. The lab was in search of people with strong mathematical skills, and when Annie saw this, she knew she was going to be perfect for the job. She had just moved back to Birmingham after college and was in search of work. 2 weeks after reading the article, Easley began her career, which would last her 34 years. In 1955, she began her career as a human computer, doing computations for researchers, which involved analyzing problems and doing calculations by hand. When hired, she was only one of 4 African American employees out of 2,500. On to Easley's transition from NACA to NASA. Easley continued her education while she was at NACA and graduated with her Bachelor's of Science in Mathematics in 1977. As technology evolved from human computers to machines, Easley evolved with the technology. Once this transition was made, Easley began to support a number of now NASA's computer programs. As the shift was made, Annie evolved and became part of bigger projects. As a multi-talented mathematician, she also learned assembly language and Fortran, which was formula transition, and became a programmer. She developed and implemented code used in researching energy conversion systems, analyzing alternative power technology, including the battery technology, which was used on hybrid vehicles, as well as for the Centaur upper stage rocket. A little bit about the Centaur rocket. What exactly was the Centaur technology that Easley worked on? The Centaur is a family of rockets. It is the first rocket stage to use liquid nitrogen. It has been used to boost satellites into orbit, and it has helped to revolutionize communication and expand the frontiers of space. There are only 2 Centaur rockets left today. Obstacles that Easley had to overcome. As an African American mathematician, Easley had to face constant discrimination from her fellow coworkers. She not only had to face discrimination for her race, but also for being a woman in aeronautics because of how rare it was. It made it intimidating to others because she was so good at what she did. Easley took these obstacles and later applied them to help others. Throughout the 1970s, Easley advocated for and encouraged female and minority students at college career days to work in STEM careers. A quote of hers is, if I can't work with you, I will work around you. Basically saying that no matter what obstacles she faces, she will always find a way to pursue her dreams. Annie Easley's legacy. Easley worked with the Centaur project, which helped to create the foundation for today's launches of communication, as well as space shuttle launches. She will always be known for her brilliance and impact on STEM. She is proof of what perseverance and determination can achieve. An inspiring quote of hers is, "Don't give up on it, just stick with it. Don't listen to people who always tell you it's hard and walk away from it." Annie Easley passed away on June 25th in 2011. And here's my works cited page, and that is it. Thank you.